morning everyone. This video is regarding my annual performance appraisal reports or other performance tools of the last 3 years. I'll start from point number 1 and go to the point number last of this annual appraisal report one by one. Point number 1, name of staff member in full. Of course, my name is Dr. Rajesh Kumar. Second point is regarding my educational qualification. I am MA in English from Meerut University, Meerut, B.Ed from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, PGDTE from Central Institute of English and Foreign Languages, Hyderabad, PGDDE, Postgraduate Diploma in Distance Education from IGNOU, New Delhi, and PhD from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. I was born on 3rd August 1966 and date, month and year of recruitment in service, particularly in Sainik School Rewa, is 1st July 1998. Post I am holding is TGT English since 1st July 1998 and it is a permanent post. Next point number 10 is courses attended during the reporting year. Of course, this year I have attended one in-service training program there at Indian Institute of Teacher Education, Gandhinagar, Gujarat in the month of August 2022. Next point is honors and awards. Of course, this year I have been honored by my school twice. First of all, I was awarded by issuing a letter to me by the principal regarding my devotion to duty and thorough professionalism in bringing out quotation boards for cadets in the school. And second letter was issued to me regarding appreciation for conducting English public speaking classes. I have been conducting public speaking classes regularly. For that, I have been appreciated by my principal this year. Now, point number 12 is classes and subjects taught during period under review. I have been appointed at TGT English. So, I have been teaching classes right from class 6 to 12 every year. And my subject is English. And I would like to mention here that I have been producing quantitatively as well as qualitative result every year. The percentage of my result is 100%. That is, I have been producing 100% result every year. Next point is state the targets and goals set for the appraised during the period. Yes, of course, I have set the targets and goals, and I have set mainly 3 goals so far. 1, to develop communication skills in the students, to prepare the students for NDA and UPSC exam, to prepare the students for CBSE exams every year. The B part of this point number 13 is state the level extent of achievement of above set targets and goals. Let me answer this question that there is a lot of improvement so far as the spoken part, that is the communication skill of the cadets is concerned. Their communication skill is being improved day by day. This year, so far as the preparation of the cadets for NDA and UPSC examination is concerned, I am very happy to mention here that the Raksha Mantri's trophy for the year 2021 has been given to our school. I am the teacher of English teaching the cadets of class 12th. I have been conducting classes for NDA and UPSC separately, and that is a great honor for our school to receive Raksha Mantri's trophy for the year 2021, and I say it very frankly and with very great proud that I am the part of that because I have been conducting the classes of class 12. So far as the result of CBSE is concerned, I have already mentioned here that since my joining in this school, I have been producing qualitatively as well as quantitatively result. That is, every year I have been producing 100% result of each and every class. Next point number 14 is help extended to the weak cadets and to cadet having any behavioral problem, give brief description. Regarding this, I am to say that those cadets who are weak in my subject, I conduct them special class. I conduct weak boys classes every year, every day in the evening. We have been conducting evening preps every day from 6 to 8 in the evening, and during this particular time I conduct weak boys classes for these cadets to bring them up to the required standard. Next point is contribution to social service and national unity. Regarding this, I am to say it very confidently that I have participated in Shramdan, which is being conducted on the occasion of Republic Day and Independence Day every year, and because I was ANO also during this year, so I as an ANO also I conducted Shramdans on these two occasions. At the same time, I have also conducted a rally with the help of the NCC cadets to promote different types of NCC JD Sainik School Rewa. I have been conducting rally in which we always give the focus on the social evils. Always we try to acquaint the cadets with the social evils and try to make them understand how they can help us out to remove all these social evils from our society. Next point number 16 is any project or experimental work undertaken or paper written during the period under review. If so, a brief resume may be given. Yes, I have published one research paper on mysticism in the poetry of Emily Dickinson and Sarojini Naidu, a comparative study, which was published in the state journal Parakh Interdisciplinary Research Journal, Volume 5, Number 2, in December 2022 last year, and its ISSN number is 2395583X. Next point is any outstanding achievement during the period under review. A brief resume may be given. Yes, this year I have brought accolade in different walks of life. Number 1, we received the Raksha Mantri Trophy 2021 for sending the maximum cadets to NDA in 2021, and because I taught these 12th class cadets who appeared in NDA and UPSC examination, so I am the part of that success. Second is our NCC cadets of Air, Navy and Army Wing participated in the Independence Day as well as the Republic Day parades, which are conducted by District Administration Rewa, and in this parade all these Army, Navy and Air first, second and third prizes respectively. Next point is regarding my strengths and limitations. Yes, I have a great strength, and regarding this I would like to talk about three main points. One, I have command over my subject, that is English. I have command over the language, that is English, which is my language which I teach to my students. And the third one is command and control over the classes I teach right from class 6 to 12. So far as limitations are concerned, I don't have many limitations, but I would like to accept here very confidently that I am not very skillful in handling the computer. I cannot confidently. Next point is areas in which you would desire to develop yourself. Limit yourself to skills and capabilities development pertaining to professions. Yes, as I just talked about, I would like to get skills in handling the computer, laptops and other digital technologies available in the present scenario. Next point number 22 is my secondary duties. I perform my secondary duties other than the teaching work which has been assigned to me by my principal, and these secondary duties are: I am the class teacher of 12th. I am IC training NCC for Independent Company Sainik School Rewa. I am also IC of obstacle competition. I am editor, school magazine Reflection. I am IC, in charge news content supervision, spoken English classes, thought for the day, etc. Thus, I have covered almost all the 22 points in my annual performance appraisal report, right from the beginning till end. I hope this could help anyone out to know about me and the work which I have been performing in my school. Thank you very much.